Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, today I'll be reviewing the Tokyo Maru Airsoft Desert Eagle. One of the finest guns I've ever shot. I happen to think it's excellent, so let's go to town. Oh yeah, and it locked back to the rear. What an excellent weapon! All right, let's go see how we shot. So, get on up here. Let's see here, we got a shot right here. Shot right here. We got a shot right here. Now this is shooting at a range of 3 meters. Yeah, it looks like pretty much like we didn't do too well. I'm not really too happy about that, but not to worry. We have got another magazine. Oh, here we go. Sight picture, sight alignment. That is an excellent gun, so any shortfall in the shooting is definitely the shooter, not so much the gun. Oh, and that's one more set. Let's have a look. Oh yeah. Oh, this is unacceptable. This is absolutely unacceptable. Let's just wish we did something better, but we cannot. So what can you do? But pull out the full auto. Oh, good grief. And what are we gonna do? I'll really go to town. Freaking grief. Yeah, if you can't shoot good, go full auto. That's what I always say. Lock and motherfucking load. Hopefully we'll be back next time with some better shooting.